Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of The Shauna Show. The Shauna Show. Jealousy is a disease. Die slow. Die slow. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, how's everybody doing? So today on the Shauna Show, we're gonna jump into some spring fashion. So as you know, spring is upon us. I am so excited for that. I am tired of the freezing cold. So with spring come colors, and of course neon is in this season. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to incorporate some neon into your spring closet without going too crazy. Okay, so let's jump into style talk. Okay guys, so on style talk today, we're going to talk about the spring trend. The spring trend is neon, and of course neon, it's not a new trend. It's been here before. For those of us who have been around, we know neon was in before. And please guys, don't go crazy on this neon trend because it does not last. So what I'm here to tell you, do not break the bank staying on trend with this neon stuff, because you're gonna have to toss them all out pretty soon. So instead, be smart, be vigilant, shop for little neon pieces to incorporate with your current closet so you can be on trend, not break the bank, and when it's time to put that trend aside, so you'll be okay with doing so. Capiche? Pastels is always in for spring, Easter, and all that, okay? So without further ado, let's go into what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so first up, I'm going to talk about this cute little blazer dress from Kai by Kai. This blazer dress can be worn as a regular long blazer or as a blazer dress. The color is so beautiful. It's this nice pastel pink, perfect for spring. I kept my very dramatic Betsy Johnson necklace on because I like how the pastels mix together. It gives me a nice spring feeling, so I kept the necklace. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you a better view of this Kai by Kai blazer dress. So guys, this is the blazer dress from Kai by Kai. I love this dress. It's so chic, it's so cute. It's very, very well tailored, let me tell you. Very well tailored, good material, good quality, and it hugs the waist, give you that nice little curve. Kai by Kai. Okay guys, so I open up my Kai by Kai dress and I have this little bodycon dress underneath, spaghetti strap, bodycon dress, light pink. Boyfriend jeans with this neon tank top to incorporate the neon trend into the spring wardrobe. I still have my Kai by Kai blazer on, not as a blazer dress, but as a typical blazer. accessories. This is is my Chloe sunglasses. And of course, I grabbed my Dior bowling bag because it has all the spring colors in it. Neon trend done right and resourceful. Guys, so back at it with the neon again. Another neon tank top from Zara. And if you guys remember this from my previous video, runway to everyday, this is a DIY sleeve. I did this myself. It's from Zara. I have it for a while. You can go back and look at that video to see how to do something like this. You can still do it, and right now it's perfect since neon is in. Boots. It's just perfect with this outfit. Okay guys, so lastly I add a more toned down blazer. If you're not into the blazer with all the extra excitement on it, if you're a more simple girl and you want to stay on trend with the neon stuff, you can just add a neon blazer, a plain one. Okay, so there you have it guys, how to incorporate this neon trend for the spring into your wardrobe without breaking the bank. You only need a few pieces and basic pieces too to go with your wardrobe so you can be on trend this spring. And don't forget your pastels. Check out that Kai by Kai blazer dress. It's perfect and it's multifunctional, my favorite. So you can get many use and many wears out of it, so you can get your money's worth. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Sis, bro, how many times do I have to ask y'all to just subscribe to the channel? Thank you so much in advance because I know you will. I hope this video inspire you. I hope you go out there shining bright like a diamond in your neon this spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Toodles.